If you're like most people, you are probably pretty paranoid about your skin. You want to ensure that every scrap of it is defended from any nicks, cuts, or bumps. And if you have sensitive skin, you want to ensure that you use the right razor blades for the job. In this video, I will show you top 5 best safety razor blades for sensitive skins that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Personna DE-Double-Edge Razor Blades. Personna has been manufacturing the finest quality safety razor blades. The safety razor blade is glide coated with stainless steel to give you a comfortable and close shave. Another interesting fact about this safety razor blade is its recyclable container. Due to these main reasons, people with sensitive skin can enjoy a trouble-free shaving experience. These are long-lasting and durable. This is why the Personna DE-Double-Edge razor blades are so popular. These razor blades' edges are sharper than the other competitive razor blades type. This safety razor blade is highly recommended for people with sensitive skin because it provides a burn-free shaving experience. Beginners and experienced shavers can use these safety razor blades. Though the blade is not too sharp, it's enough to give you a smooth shave. Thus, this makes it ideal for people with sensitive skin. The razor blades holder is also reusable to store used blades. This saves you time and money that you would have had to use to buy separate disposal containers. Number 4. Wilkinson Sword Classic Double-Edged Razor Blades. Wilkinson Sword safety razor blades are triple coated with chromium, preventing corrosion and oxidation of steel. Hence, they are long-lasting and durable. These safety razor blades give you an ideal and smooth shave. People with sensitive skin will enjoy a smooth and close shave. These safety razor blades work better for those with medium texture hair types. The safety razor blade is not excessively sharp. That is a plus point for people with sensitive skin. How, you may ask? Well, it ensures a close shave without resulting in any irritation and redness. This also makes it a suitable choice for those who have a thinner hair type. It allows a sensitive skinned person to experience shaving without different options fully. This is a must-try for those who want to experience something new. Beginner-level shavers can also make sure of this pack by experimenting with various safety razor blades. Number 3. Feather Double-Edged Safety Razor Blades. These safety razor blades are some of the sharpest blades available in the market. The company ensures great precision in making these razor blades. Thus, the sharp blade ensures a smooth and close shave. Another striking point is that this blade fits into any double-edged safety razor. The sharpness of the blade also makes it great to use on people with coarse, curly, or thick hair. Covered with platinum, these durable safety razor blades ensure a great shaving experience. Since these safety razor blades provide a smooth shave, they are also ideal for people with sensitive skin. This product has 50 platinum-coated stainless steel blades divided into 10 extremely convenient small packs. The corners are numbered, so you always know which side you use. This safety razor blade would be ideal for people with thinner facial hair. These are also easy to go on your wallet. Number 2. Gillette 7 O'Clock Super Stainless Steel DE Razor Blades. It is more affordable than most and isn't as aggressively sharp as other double-edged blades, but it still provides a smooth, close shave. For those about 12 cents per blade, you get super stainless blades that will give you up to 4 shaves per blade before becoming dull. It's not that sharp to give you cuts or burns, and that is every sensitive skinned person's dream. To enjoy the perks of not having to face irritation and redness is a blessing. The super chrome stainless steel has polymer are coated for smoothness and longevity, so that it's a plus point for this safety razor blade. If your beard is rough and hard, this is not your best choice. The safety razor blade would be ideal for people with thinner facial hair. They are cheaper as compared to other razor blades, so this would be ideal if you are on a budget. Number 1. Parker Double-Edged Safety Razor Blades. You got a box of hundreds blades wrapped in 20 individual plastic cassettes. This makes them convenient for travel without cutting yourself or damaging your travel gear. These blades are great for everyday use. You can get up to 5 face shaves per blade or 2 shaves per blade if you shave your whole head. The Parker's double-edged razor blades produce a truly notable smooth shave. It is more efficient and a lot cheaper than a basic cartridge type razor. The blades work really well for almost all skin and hair types. These blades are very sharp and do a great job shaving your entire face or edge the contours of your beard. They are really sharp when new and it feels like they are thinner than some of the other blades. These blades are ridiculously sharp right out of the package and they stay sharp longer than most blades. You can probably get up to 7 shaves per blade from one of these bad boys.